Hi, David.coble with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. I'm standing aboard a 2019 25XS NauticStar. It's got the twin 150 Yamahas. Just to show you a few features on this boat real quick. Got a nice fish box here, 65-gallon fish box. That's great for throwing fish in and ice, or a cooler with some refreshments. We've got a live well here and right behind the helm as well. So you can do a little bit of fishing. You know, these are geared a little bit towards fishing, but you check this out. All of a sudden, flip this up, raise this seat. You've got extra seating for additional people. You know, and a really nice helm seat here. It's beautiful. We've got a chart plotter, the Simrad Go 9 system on here, so that you can see where you're going. You know, it's got a chart plotter. You know where you're gonna end up here. The Infinity Bluetooth stereo with the upgraded speakers. You'll notice this is a gel-coated hard top. It's just gorgeous with speakers up top and down below, so you've got plenty of sound. Moving forward in the boat, you'll see that we've got a really nice bow area. But you also have a nice place to lean back and sit. Kind of turns it into more like a traditional open bow, where you've got that forward-facing seating in the front. It's kind of the best of both worlds. So give us a shout. We're here at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks, at the Bagnell Dam Boulevard location. You can reach us at 573-365-5382. We'd love to see you on the water.